I'm out here today painting this car, and I know I'm doing a bad job, but I'm practicing before I tackle a nice car like that. Mercury over there. Not saying the Thunderbird isn't nice, but I got this car for free and it was in really rough shape. So I'm just trying my hand at it. It's getting some racing stripes. See, the bumper was all red and it's got a lot of dents and a lot of issues. A lot of rust. So I tried some of this expanding foam. Feel some of the holes. Didn't really work. There was a big rust spot there. There's some deep gouges in the paint. Paint's not going to hide that. It's going to show through when I'm done. But like I said, this was a free car. So I'm just trying to see what I can do. Practice. I'm just using spray paint, which you should, I don't know. We'll see when it's done. I don't think you should paint a whole car with spray cans. But I got some Bondo here just now. I'm gonna try filling in some of this stuff. Look at that. I fill it with spray foam. I should have welded it, really. But see, I'll try Bondo, see if that works. I gotta finish my stripes and stuff. I sanded the entire car down by hand. Some wet sandpaper just to get the shine off the whole thing. I don't know if that shows up in camera, but on the camera. But it is a dull surface that the paint should hopefully stick pretty good to. Looks pretty rough right now, but it's gonna look damn decent from afar, but far from good. But I filled the big holes there. There's a big hole there. It'll look a bit funny now with the paint. You really got to spend time, Bondo it again, sand it down again, make sure it's perfect. But honestly, this car isn't worth making sure it's perfect, because look at that. It's not worth it. It's not worth the effort for me. A car like that would be worth the effort. Okay, so we're on like day 4 painting this car. I don't suggest trying to paint a whole car with spray cans. I ran out of paint yesterday, it was Sunday. So not enough coats there. Even the hood, you can see there's still some lines. The bumper was starting to get pretty good. I know that's really rough. Definitely sand your Bondo way more. But I wasn't too worried about making this car perfect because it's got a lot of issues going on and it was a free car, so yeah. Just having fun. Yeah, you can see where I really ran out of paint there on the doors. I pretty much bought out the entire town. I live in a small town. Bought out all the yellow they had, so now I'm using this stuff, and I have some rust stuff, and I have 2 more cans of that Fusion. So hopefully the colors all match. Same brand, just meant for different purposes. So I'll use this stuff on the metal. Try and finish off the hood and roof and trunk and doors, and I think I'm still gonna need more paint. I'll have to run into town and get more. I don't know. Put a big dent in the door the other day. Paint's not gonna hide that. Whatever. Okay, this is awful. So I ran out of paint again today. I ran 16 cans. I ran out. So I went to town. I couldn't find any. I had to go to the next town over. I still couldn't find any. But I bought 4 of it's the same brand, just a different product of theirs. Hopefully it matches this color close. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a difference there. in color because it was two different products of Krylon. This is their rust something or other, and this is their fusion for their plastic. Two different shades of yellow. You can still see lines in the door, yeah, on the hood. So here's the 16 cans already used of yellow. You see that fusion is the main one, the plastic, and then that dual, and then the rust. And the rust was a way different color than the fusion. The dual was pretty close. Anyways, I couldn't find any more fusion, but I found this Color Master Sun Yellow. Pretty sure they're all sun yellow. Yeah. But, so I bought 4 more cans. Hopefully that's enough to coat the whole car, get it all one color. Hopefully it's the brighter yellow, because I really didn't like the yellow that rust stuff was. And yeah, we'll use up these 4. See what it looks like after that. Never painting a car with spray cans again. This is awful. That's 20 cans of yellow. And then for the 2 black stripes, I only used 3 cans of black. I probably would have got a lot better results if I spent more time on the body, and also if I had primed the whole car in white, or even just primer, but something that would have been a solid color. And the reason I didn't do that is because the front and rear bumpers are plastic, and I didn't want to use primer on them. I just wanted to use that Krylon plastic stuff, and then I figured do the rest of the car the same way, but that didn't turn out very well. Anyways, I'll finish this up and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's a few weeks later. Came out really nice. For a spray paint job. Yeah, now I need some nice wheels. Tinted the headlights. See, I really didn't spend much time. You can definitely see. You can see some of the black paint came off. Yeah, touch that up with a brush. But you can see this rainbow sparkle I put into the black stripes. It shows up in the sunlight really nice. There it is. Awesome. Got the lines real straight. Not bad for a few measurements here and there, but mostly eyeballing it with masking tape. Yeah. I don't know why Ford never made these yellow from the factory. They look really nice in yellow. I mean, they look like a taxi without the black stripes, but you really see the paint doesn't hide nothing. You really got to make sure the body's perfect before you paint. Painted the dash. Turned out pretty nice. Adds to the feel while you're driving. See the black stripes on the hood. I still need to paint this piece yellow. That's the original color there. I didn't spend much time making it perfect. I put the sparkle in these pillars too. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching.
Black stripe, yellow paint. Yeah. You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah.